This is Beauty Disruptor Microneedling machine 3-in-1. This one is the main machine, and here is the parts. Here is the steel pipe and the metal paddle, and this one is the microneedling handle, and this one is ice hammer. This one is monopolar pan, and this one is the metal plate, and here is the plastic holding part. Okay, first step, we need to loosen the screws on the right side. These two screws, and connect this plastic part. Okay, next, here we got the steel pipe. We put it here. This one is micro needle hand. On the top here, there's a connector place. Here, this one is ice hammer. You can see there's a different pins inside of this connected place. And this one is the monopolar RF pan. And this one is the metal plate. This one is the foot pedal. That's all the whole installation video for the machine.